Welcome to our complete guide on transferring your LSSC account to a new email. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. You may wonder why you'd need to change your email address. Some common reasons include switching to a more professional email or wanting better security features. First, let's access your LSSC account settings. Log into your account and navigate to the settings menu located at the top right corner. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you update your email address. Follow along, and you'll be done in no time. Once you've updated your email, you'll receive a verification link. Check your inbox and click the link to confirm your new email. Sometimes, issues can arise during the transfer. If you don't receive the verification email or have trouble logging in, don't worry. Here are some solutions. Let's address some frequently asked questions regarding email changes to make sure you have all the information you need. When transferring your account, security is essential. Here are some tips to ensure your account stays safe during the transition. And that's it. Transferring your LSSC account to a new email is straightforward. We hope this guide helps streamline your process. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos just like this one.